Are you looking to manage projects more effectively? In this quick guide, we'll show you how to manage projects with Process.st, a powerful tool for streamlining your workflow and ensuring your team stays on track. Stick with me until the end, and you'll discover a bonus that can help you get started with Process.st absolutely free, plus an exclusive extended trial. Process.st is a task management software designed to help teams streamline repetitive tasks through workflows. What sets Process.st apart is its emphasis on process management, making it easy to create detailed checklists, workflows, and even automate tasks. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. Let's walk through the basics. To start, you'll want to sign up and create a new account. Once logged in, you can create a template, which is essentially the blueprint for your project. These templates are where the magic happens. You can build templates for anything from onboarding new employees to managing client projects or even personal task lists. The flexibility of the templates means you can tailor your processes to fit any business need, whether you're managing a small team or an entire department. Once your template is set, you can easily create a workflow by simply choosing the template you want to follow. From there, your team can follow the tasks step by step, ensuring that everything gets done in the right order and nothing is forgotten. This makes it perfect for team collaboration, as everyone knows exactly what needs to be done, when, and by whom. Another standout feature is the ability to track task completion in real time. This means you can see which tasks are on track and which ones are falling behind, giving you full visibility into the progress of your project. If a team member is having trouble, you can quickly step in and offer support, ensuring projects don't stall. Process.st's conditional logic adds another layer of customization. You can set up rules that determine what happens next in a workflow depending on the actions taken earlier. For example, if a task is marked as complete, Process.st can automatically assign the next task in the workflow to the right person without any manual intervention. This not only saves time but reduces the chance of human error, making your project management process smoother and more reliable. The software also integrates with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier, enabling you to connect your project management system with other software you already use. These integrations help streamline communication and ensure all your tools work together without extra effort on your part. To wrap things up, Process.st is a fantastic tool for managing projects. Its customizable templates, real-time tracking, and automation features allow teams to stay on top of their work, saving time and reducing mistakes. And the best part? You can start using Process.st for free from the first link below with exclusive bonuses, so you can test it out for yourself without any risk. I also have an exclusive offer for an extended free trial of Process.st. Be sure to check the description to claim it. Whether you're managing small tasks or large projects, Process.st can help you streamline your processes and improve efficiency. Don't forget to hit that link below to get started.